The Somali community is a community that I grew up with all my life in Haringey.
The wonderful Somali culture in all its different forms and its diversity.
The Somali story in Black history is represented, is spoken about, is celebrated.
It's good to have that culture, to hold on to our traditions and hold on to our home.
Where you go to job, where you go to pride, you are all queens.
Welcome to Somali Culture Night 2025.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you and your parents for attending today's or this evening's fantastic star-studded lineup, Somali Culture Night, and now in its 4th year. It's a brilliant opportunity to bring the community together of Haringey. It's also an opportunity to showcase the wonderful Somali culture in all its different forms and its diversity.
We're very proud to be here, very proud we're doing it here in my home ward of Bruce Castle. A very vibrant community, a big Somali community, very happy to be here as well.
I have to say, it is an honor to be here today, so thank you very much for having me. The Somali community is a community that I grew up with all my life in Haringey. In this country, away from our home, it's good to have that culture, to hold on to our traditions and hold on to our home. I'd just like to thank the elders here today, my uncles and aunties, for the perseverance that you went through to make sure that we kept the culture and kept traditions, the Somali traditions that we have here today. So thank you so much for making Haringey more vibrant, and it is an honor to be here today.
I came to this last year when I was there, and the atmosphere was so fantastic. It was so lovely. It's marvellous being able to come back again this year, so thank you so much.
I'm a globetrotter, not just a mother or a mother. I will not fit in your box that locks. I will break free, for you underestimate me. My intellect is high and not low. I will forever glow. I want you to know your stereotypes as dated and must go. I salute all the Somali women here today. Wear your hijab, wear it with pride. You are all queens.
Dunia, hati balai